We'll start with a disclaimer. So, it's a good day in Nifty. So there is a breakout about 150. And I don't call it as a breakout, but the closing came about 5150. It's a good sign. Um, there's some intraday trading. These three candles. I'm sorry, not this. Yeah, these three candles give good indication that there's going to be a breakout above the 25 150 level, and I hope uh, whoever noticed it could have taken a good trade on the long side. There's a fall from here and took a support in the end. That's, I would call it as a game by the operators, expiry game, nothing more than that. Okay, let's get back to see what is in the store for the next day, or probably what can happen from here. What can we expect the coming sessions, next 2 3 or more? So far today it's a pullback day. It's a pullback day. Okay. Mm, there's an engulfing, but let's see. It's a sustainable pullback or not. We need to find out. What we know so far is, or indeed what we are expecting so far is a pullback till 25 400. So that's our expectation. So will it give a continuous pullback, or will there be some sort of consolidation here and then reach 25 400? That we have to find out, and also it depends upon the time planned by the operator or the smart money, by when they want to make the actual fall or complete the pullback or whatever. So there's expiry coming in next couple of days, so we have to find out like how this is going to be played out. Okay, one thing to look for is the closing shouldn't come below 25,060 the next couple of days. But also, what I mean is 25,150. As long as the Nifty closing stays above that, we can expect a good upside someday when retail participation is minimal on the long side. They'll just shoot up without any notice. On the other side, flip side, if they really want to take it down much further, yeah, we should see a closing below 25,060. Okay, as long as Nifty is about 25,150, don't think about shorts. Once it goes below 25,060, then only think about the short trade. That is my plan. Today, I didn't take any trade. What I have done in today's session is on Friday, as the closing is about 25,150, yeah, 142. I took a long trade there, which I took a long trade deep in the money, 950 CA. So it didn't give me any returns on Monday. Indeed, yeah, it stayed a few points lower, but the closing was good. Still happened to be in the long profit. What I did today is I booked that trade as one day went against my expectation after I took the trade. So I thought it's safe to exit from the trade, and whatever comes tomorrow, we'll see. There's nothing to rush here. That's what I have to say. There's nothing much here. We can take a look at Bank Nifty as well. What's happening in Bank Nifty is a bit strange. Okay, there's an initial breakout at 55 650, and second breakout at 56 850. But what happened in last couple of days is there is a sort of a breakdown. This breakdown Yeah, I would call it as a breakdown because the closing came below. So any day when it comes below this level, it might continue on a long journey. So I'm not very confident whether this will turn into a bullish trade or not. For that, we need to just wait for some sort of breakout at least above this level. And what happened? Because yeah, everything becomes a resistance in this kind of scenario because it has come down below the breakdown point. Once there is a pullback, let me change the color. Okay, there is a pullback. That pullback didn't sustain, even with this such a good breakout pattern. It again came down and broke that level, and after that, today it gave a breakout. So it's not very trustworthy. Even if it continues to move higher, it will go only with the operator volume. I don't think different parties, I mean, like multiple parties will be participating in that rally. So I'm not expecting a sustained rally above. Okay, that's my view. So end of the day, you, I'm bearish on Bank Nifty as well. So I'll just wait for these levels to break again and take a good short trade. That's it. Thank you.